I'm delighted to say yes. Maybe at some point we should open up our factory. I've been a little bit like Willy Wonka, wanting to keep the patch factory a secret, but maybe we'll open up that up for tours to SPDs at some point in the future. By the way, it's located on the west coast of Ireland in Galway County, which is a beautiful place to visit. So maybe at some point in the time, some lucky SPDs will have a retreat there. I promise it'll be in the summer when it's not raining in Ireland, which it is most of the time. But we have a facility in the United States, and our primary facility at this point is in Ireland. We can already support a company doing more than $1 billion a year in sales. And this is something that is definitely one of our key strengths. So when we started to grow in 2008, we made the decision to build a factory over in Ireland, and that factory got set up in 2010. So both of our factories are fully automated, and just over the last 2 years, we made a very large investment, millions of dollars, to expand and add additional equipment because of the rate at which we're growing. So if you were to come over to our factory today, you would see that we have equipment that's fully automated, and we have equipment that will automatically package the patches, and we have a robotic arm with a computerized visual inspection system that will kick out any rejects, which are a very, very small percentage. In other words, you have to seal the patches to contain the liquid materials inside, and you get a fraction of 1% that don't seal properly. And what we have today is a system where a robotic arm comes down. It can detect that that patch is leaking, and it kicks it off the line automatically. So, and we have a trigger point that when we get to 600 million a year in sales, that we're going to go ahead and add additional equipment. So we will always be staying way ahead of the curve. But today we can support a company doing way over $1 billion a year. Also, another thing to add to that is Coleman Dillon, who is our Chief Operating Officer, comes to us with 23 years of experience from the medical device and pharmaceutical industry, as do a few other people that are in manufacturing and quality control. So it's because of his efforts that the patches today are manufactured as medical devices. And when you go into the facility that we have in Ireland, looks like a facility where you make medical devices, because it in fact is.